Chair, current housing developments have not facilitated optimal utilization of the land due to low densities and unmatched land value, which is why I gave the example of 40 houses translating to 2,000 units. It is therefore against these reasons the Nairobi City County Government has earmarked all its estates for redevelopment to facilitate the development of more affordable homes for sale and rental purposes. It is important to note that all county tenants, including those residing in New Pomone in California, will be given first priority to own homes in the redevelopments through a tenant purchase scheme that is more favorable. So where we are, Chair, is we've awarded the contracts to the contractor. 7 contracts have been awarded. We're in the titling program to get, first of all, the LRs, because they must be put in the joint venture agreement. But that notwithstanding, we have said that before we go to any or to start any development, we shall enter into MOUs with the specific tenants.
I would want to give you an opportunity, Governor, because I believe the said people we are fighting for are here and their representatives are here. Just one question. What's the way forward for this?
My view, just looking at it. Remember, this is City Council. In the 80s, you want receipts for rent payment from the 80s and those records. I am not sure of the veracity of the documents we will get. But if it is 2 weeks, we'll do our best. As we do that, Chair, I think what is important, and I'm not giving you direction because you're the Chair, and what the people want to know is what the plan is.
Nao maafitha a KWS muthenya wa